Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change vibration settings on this Samsung. Firstly, go into settings and tap on sound and vibration. Over here you can click on the switcher next to vibratory ringing in order to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also turn off sound completely and leave only vibrations by tapping on vibrate. Then scroll down, click on call vibration pattern and pick one of the patterns for your vibrations by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also click on notification vibration pattern, pick one of the available ones and tap on it as well. Then click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for touch interactions. Then go back. Scroll down, choose System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and tap on the switchers next to all of these features to disable or enable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!